Hello, and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this one, I'm going to spotlight the BNF schema, and also, while I'm at it, the BNF SNOMED schema, which are just two tables. So the BNF schema, this is just this table, BNF Code Information SCD. That data comes from this website, the NHS Business Services Authority. You can see the URL there. Basically, we just download the files, clicking on data, then drug data. That takes us to this page. And we pick the versions and download the latest data. Now, when we did this some time ago, we thought that each one of these dates represented a new data set. We didn't realize until one of our customers helpfully showed us that each of these versions actually gets re-released several times. So 82 got re-released a few times with slightly different data, and 80 did as well, and so on. So in this table, BNF Code Information SCD, the business keys are two fields: the BNF code, sorry, the BNF version, and the BNF presentation code. And by the way, just to remind, it's in the tutorial anyway. To see what the business keys are, you can just have a look here. I'll just do it now. You can see for that table, that's the business keys there. And as I said earlier, each of the versions can be released more than once. So this is an SCD, so I've only got records where something had changed. Perhaps if I add in a count, you can probably see how it changes. I need to do a group by, of course. Let me just do that too. So there you go. There's the first, generally speaking, the first release of each version will have the majority of records, and then there'll just be a few changes, as you can see there. And then 74's got the most at the beginning. Then quite another massive bunch of changes there on the December 21 release, the last one. You get the idea. So if I just query the data now. So you've got the version number, the presentation code, and then the parents going up: BNF product code, chemical substance code, subparagraph code, paragraph code, section code, chapter code. So you can use the data a lot of ways that way, using these fields. The other table I wanted to mention was BNF SNOMED map SCD. That's a table that just maps BNF codes and SNOMED codes. So that's obviously useful, as you can imagine. That's it, really. Thanks.